Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer advertising campaigns from Google Ads. To transfer advertising campaigns from Google Ads to Bing Ads, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign you wish to transfer. Click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. Select Keyword Planner from the drop-down menu. Download your campaign data by clicking on Campaigns in the left sidebar. Choose Export and select the format you prefer, ideally CSV or Excel. Open the downloaded file to review your campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads. Now, log into your Bing Ads account. If you don't have a Bing Ads account, create one. In Bing Ads, look for the Import Campaigns option. Choose Import from Google Ads. During the import process, upload the CSV or Excel file you previously downloaded. Bing Ads will prompt you to map your Google Ads settings to Bing Ads settings. Carefully match your campaign settings, such as budget and targeting. After mapping is complete, review your ad copy and keywords to ensure they fit Bing's policies. Adjust any parameters as necessary for the Bing Ads platform. Once everything looks good, click on Import to start the transfer. Monitor the campaign after it has been imported for any necessary adjustments. Consider running A/B tests to optimize performance in Bing Ads. Finally, set your bids and budgets according to your advertising strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.